Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Hey, chat. Great to see you. Happy Monday times. How are you doing, everyone? How's it going? How are you today? Welcome. Welcome, chat. Let's go for the targets. Let's go for the trading. Another week, another opportunity to enjoy our life, to be grateful, and of course, to perform in the markets. Good morning, everyone. Thank you guys for watching, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Let's go. It's a bit quiet, right? Let me just try to see if we can sort it out. You guys already have a nice profit. You guys already banking. Oh. What happened here with the Nasdaq? Did we just win all-time high, or what's the all-time high? Let me see. Yeah, we just went all-time high, guys. A couple of minutes ago, like 5 to 6 minutes ago, we went all-time high. Look at that. That's an interesting level that I care about. Now, this is not an easy situation. I do not want to say that I do not enjoy trading all-time highs. But still, you know, could be better, right? So, let me just go ahead and share this with our community members pretty much everywhere, guys. Pretty much everywhere. Let's just go ahead. Let me just quickly do this. A 50 grand giveaway right there. I'm going to quickly do this, guys. So, how do you feel today? How's your day? Are you guys ready for a very interesting week? Very interesting one. From what we're capable of seeing, this is exploding. And I hope the crypto markets are starting to follow through. Let me just quickly post this presentation pretty much everywhere we usually do. You guys can do the same thing in any trading group, anywhere. $50 grand right there for the giveaway. Pretty happy times. I think this is
order filled.
Dropping further. Let's see. I've sorted 3 minis.
Order filled.
Let's see if I get it. Or this is basically where the mark is want to bounce to 15. We don't looks like we don't get a continuation. As soon as this candlestick turns green, I'm selling. Right? Let's see. Good morning, welcome guys. I'm selling 3
Order
contracts
filled.
there. No, I thought for a little more continuation here, all the way back into 195. Welcome guys. Hey. $700. You're having a great time, fellas. You're having a great time. You clearly know how to trade, guys. You clearly know how to do it. Beautiful. Exactly. They do. It's time for them to make money, right? Make sure to like the video, guys, so we pick the numbers up. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. I don't like this this trade.
Order filled.
I've DC'd a little more here, because I think we're going down.
Order filled.
Adding one more contract to this.
Order
Another
filled.
one. Next candle should be red. This one, come on, this one that just opened it. I need this one in a terrible way to close out red.
Order filled.
Add a little more to my short here.
Order filled.
And another one right there.
Order
And
filled.
another one. You know, 1,500 is our daily max loss. Let's see what we get here. It's not looking good for a short, honestly. Only if the market surprises me with a gift. Right? That would be a gift if the market comes back here now. It would be a gift. Let's go. Not adding anything to this one. We have DC'd in the highs of each green candle. Pretty good for the moment. We have minimized the loss with that one, but if this is going back up, obviously that's bad. Come on, give me 2 red candles in a row. That's all we need. 2 red candles in a row. You just can't go back and forth with that. Take the markets back at the previous all-time high before the market opens. Fixify. Good job, buddy. Good job, Zil. Congratulations. I've been looking into that. Congratulations, buddy. Great job. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. And let me know what do you think about this trade. It's not really promising. Right, so we need a second candle in a row. We need candles in a row to be red. I'm going to go pretty quickly on break even. Not feeling comfortable shorting. Pretty undecided on that one. Come on, just flash through the things. Well, that's an interesting starting point. That's an interesting starting point. Keep pushing. We could gain momentum right now. Keep pushing, come on. Oh. Putting the stop loss right there. Putting the stop loss right there. Let's go, guys. Come on. Keep going. Keep going for the target.
Order
I
filled.
actually sold something. I had to. Sold 3 contracts. Let's go. Come on. What's happening here, guys? What on earth
Order
is going
filled.
on? Beautiful. The target has been hit and it's exactly $500. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's exactly $500 celebration times. It was not easy. There you go. There you go. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the videos. Come on. Let's go. Good job, Zell. Very important. Doesn't matter the amount. It matters the achievement. And the achievement is a payout. So we have here $500. And this is the third day in the news cycle. You know, I made a video yesterday on my channel speaking about this account, and I told you I need Monday and Tuesday, so today and tomorrow, I definitely need to collect my points. If I do it, I'll have a huge chance to get to the payout. And then, of course, with the payout we have right now, because $8,000 in the live wallet is sitting there, bringing it to $10,000 is going to be the next step. So we're pretty close to that. 6,300, very important, guys. Good morning, everyone. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. So let me rephrase the things. Market's dropping nicely. We have 6,300. Even 3 days. Let's put it that way. Even 3 negative days. Let's just do this exercise like the worst case scenario. Let's think about. Because this is how, personally, I kind of have the ability to understand how close am I to the payout by considering the worst case scenario that could happen if I have protection against the worst case scenario. So 3 days of max daily loss. 1,500 each. Even if I hit that, that's going to be 4,500. I'm still going to have $1,800 left. So that's basically another possibility of hitting like 4 days in a row without making money at all. 4 days in a row, max loss without making money at all means to lose the accounts. When I look at the things like that, the pressure goes off and I kind of start feeling pretty safe, right? Pretty safe about it. Like I might lose 2 days in a row, 3 days, maybe, I don't know. But having 4 days in a row is a astonishing performance, right? That would be an amazing moment. Greetings, guys. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to subscribe. So, giveaway is on the stream. Like and subscribe. Starts soon. Look at that. I'm very happy about this one. We brought the markets into the 200s, so that's exactly what I expected, what I needed, all the way back in 192. I'm gonna trade my Ignite accounts on Tap on Futures. Let's just set up the copy trader. There is a massive challenge here. So we're trading right now for Ignite, and then I'm going to trade one more. Did we just touch? We didn't touch that. This might go a little bit lower. So I'm going to set a limit order. 93. No, not 94, 2 contracts. 93, 3 contracts, right? Hopefully we're not going to get front run. Beautiful, guys. Thank you once again for joining. Appreciate it. Have a lovely time out here. We're going to go for the best targets this week, relentlessly. Like the best case scenario basically here on the Ticktick Trader by the end of the week, we could be live trading. We could actually qualify for the live trading by the end of the week in the best case scenario if I have no losses. But that would put me out on how many days. Like, look at the sequence we have here, guys. This is our sequence. Like, the last time I lost, it was on 17th of September. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days in a row making money. 10 days in a row. You remain with 1,500 on top of your 50 grand. Your max loss is going to be located on $50,100, which means from 51,500.
Right,
I've been trading the. If that's where you remain after the funds that were deducted. Ticktick Trader part. There's the link, guys. You're going to have $1,400 might still be able to minimum. Grab your 65% off. A drawdown, which is an end of the day drawdown. It's not an intraday. It's not an unrealized. Hope you guys saw my last video I posted. Make sure to like the video drawdown. Of course. Let me just grab my links from here. So also we got a Savius option as well, which is 55%, guys. Right, so Savius is still having a good time. Come on. I didn't want it to demarket earlier, even though I felt FOMO. I'm waiting for the levels I care. And then that's where I expect markets bouncing. Come on.
Order filled.
Beautiful. We got this one filled up, guys. Let's see, what kind of rejection do we get? My target is on 198. Pretty simple. We got filled on limit order for my top 1 futures. Let's see if my entry was good. Let's find it out. Putting the stop loss on break
Order
even.
filled.
And we touched the target. Didn't even have time to set my stop loss, guys. We touched the target. Look at that. What can I say? Like, what can I say? You gotta let the numbers speak, right? That's what you gotta do. When they say you are gambling, you gotta let the numbers speak for you. When they say you got lucky, you gotta do the same thing. Let those numbers speak for you. Connecting my other two, Ignite, 541, 555, and I'm opening along on that ones as well. Let's see. Not a limit order. I wanted to do a market order. Not a limit order. I'm going to leave it there. It might get filled up, right? Should be.
Order filled.
Okay. Do we get the reversal right now? On this 2 accounts as well. I mean, from the 15-minute standpoint, this could be a good level. Thank you, guys. Opening along. I do have here on Ticktick 5 accounts that are the other 5, right? Let me just set up the copy trading. We have $400 drawdown. Let me see if I can do something.
Order filled.
We got $400 drawdown. 370. Ah.
Order filled.
$200 drawdown on this 5, right? The other 5 basically we have. Which would be nice to have a $600-700 profitable day. One giveaway today, guys. One giveaway. Good morning, everyone. Welcome. Let me see if I can do something with this accounts that have basically like $100, $150 drawdown right now. If this level holds, we're gonna survive. But if we pretty much do 2 points down, it's gone. One giveaway today of $50,000. Thank you guys for joining, appreciated. This is where I really care about. This is pretty much a much better looking. Well, look at that. If we take this one all the way back to this level.
Order filled.
Add a little more to this. Then if we make today 1,700, then we might be able to save this 5 accounts from being down. Like earlier we were $155 down. If we push from here and if this level holds, which I don't think would be a surprise from this standpoint. Ticktick trader. $50,000 straight to funded plus account and the Ticktick. We're $250 away from
Order filled.
on the max loss. No.
Order filled.
No. I mean, it's not necessarily to be bearish here. Look at that. Let me share with you on the other side. It's hard to save something from a few hundreds of dollars when you're not trading, you know, the micros section. Trying to hit that with the minis. You get knocked out by the existing volatility. We're trading right now the top 1 futures. Link is in the chat for everything. Let me search the video we posted yesterday. Here's the video, guys. I just let me just put that on pin post. Okay. Let's wait. 4 more points needed. For the giveaway, you have to be on our Discord. Really choppy out here. It's not really moving. But for me, market only needs the liquidity from the highs. It do not needs to be bullish, right? For me, this movement right here consisting 4 points, it doesn't mean the markets are going to be bullish from there upwards back to the top. No. I'm actually not requesting from the markets to be that bullish. It's sufficient for me to have a simulated reaction of bullishness. Thank you, guys. We're gonna get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Yep, we got stopped out 989. This is my daily loss. 989. They didn't want it to give me. 3 to 4 points. That's the only thing I requested. So this is where we are. We have 4 daily losses of 1,000 each. And the profits were kept on $500, right? The profits were not allowed to run higher on none of the days. Because otherwise, we would have had a lot more money in the account. So this is what happens when you have equity stability score, when you have consistency. You cannot let your winners run. And then this is what happens. When you can have your winners run, is exactly what happens on Ticktick Trader. Look at that. Have a look into this one, guys. It's a total difference, right? Look at that specific part. Let me draw that once again. Look at that part. 1,500, 2,400, 1,500, another 1,500. If you're limited by consistency or stuff like that, you cannot do these things. You cannot let your winners run. And then of course, once you're nicely set up, you just make $500 a day for the rest of the life. It's not an issue. But when you are pretty much limiting me on the profits, yeah, it's not an issue, guys. It's certainly not an issue. Because these accounts are extremely hard to be brought to the payout. They are ESS accounts. Ignite on TOF are equity stability score accounts. I mean, the Ignite accounts are not even available anymore on top on futures. I would not buy them. I would not trade them anymore, guys. On tap on futures, I would not do that anymore with those. I would pretty much nicely trade end of the day drawdown, the instant sim fund, the most popular version, where right now with a scramble coupon code that gives you additional discount than what the company offers you, 5% extra. Let me just find it out. So apply. It is $493. $493. Yep. Look at that. Market comes back. It was just a 30 stop loss grabbing movement. I think the market is going basically to my 200 to 203 target that we had earlier. I don't think it's continuing to downtrend from here. I think we're going to have a at least small uptrend above 210. Let's see. But they had to do that one extra step, right? They had to do it. This one. One extra step here. Fake out. You got me burned on that. And then you fly to the moon, right? Not an issue. Certainly not an issue. Let me see what we got on Savius, Coin Tower. Do we have something interesting there? We should have, as long as I remember. I didn't check my accounts, but we should have something interesting going on. Good morning. At least we got to the target here, but think about it. Look at this. It's just total madness to trade like this and not be able to cash out, right? Like, what kind of requirements? Having 5,000 in profit from $500 constantly. Hello. Equity stability score. Let's do some quant tower trading here. Let's do some Savius trading here, guys. We're long 15 minis. Pretty quickly, straightforward in the business. We're not losing time. Pretty quickly, straightforward in the business. We're not losing time. And you guys definitely know that. So no breakout right now to the upside. Yeah, they're testing the lows. They're testing the lows. We got a good reaction. I'm pretty happy we didn't broke below. And we can fly from here. Come on. We got 19 minis. I'm very aggressive in this one. And I don't mind to be like this, honestly. It's actually my pleasure. Come on. 19 minis. We just have to take a few ticks to the upside. Break out of that damn 200s keeping us down. Come on. Indeed. 30 minis is pretty much impossible. I'll show you our casino trading very soon, John Michael. Our community members know what we're doing here on Quant Tower. Something different. Something that actually makes a lot of the people happy. We got this one back into the wick. Putting the stop loss back there. You're gonna see soon, John, what we're talking about when... Nah. How are they capable of keeping those highs basically so clearly untouched? I do like Coin Tower, but definitely not just as Project X. Definitely not. We're oversized. We're over leveraged. We are heavy on this trade. 19 minis. Exactly. It begins in 30 minutes, correct. You know, I might just get wiped out by the volatility here. Total nonsense. But let's wait and see, guys. We might be able to do a couple of points to the upside. Pretty much not really. No. We're going to continue with the other account. Certainly not an issue. There is one more strong account here that is waiting for me. In the meantime, we're going to resume. So here's the casino trading. This is casino trading number 1. And then we're moving to the other prop firm, casino trading number 2. Look at that. The market is going up, guys. Now, have a look into this. It's going up. Here we go. This one and the other one. You have seen that. You gotta relax. Maybe that's my own prop firm, so I don't know why do you mind it. Coin Tower has been down for me for the past, you know, couple of trades. So I'm kind of used to that because that's the place where we sort of do a different model of trading. A negative risk and reward ratio is an amateur. It is. I'm an amateur. I've never claimed to be a professional. A professional would never ever. I mean, you know, I'm a professional in a different place. Like, for example, here. Let's have a look into my Ethereum position, guys. My Ethereum spot position, the swing trading we do. This is for John. You guys know. This is for John. He's going to look at this. He's going to pause the video and have enough time to pretty much consult his consciousness about the words he's speaking about, right? Got into the trade in 2023. This is in our Discord, and we're still holding. We're gonna get out of this in 2026. Beautiful. Now, no, we're joking, guys, of course. We're having a great time. That's also negative risk and reward. So, let's get back to the serious things here that are pretty much helping our community. Back into the daily opening, 25,000s. That's what you want, Badger. If we get that 25,000s, then you blind long it, right? You blindly long it. 25,000s. No question asked. Exactly. He certainly has no idea. So I'm going to allow him to relax him a little bit on a quick timeout, 24 hours. He's going to relax. He's going to pretty much enjoy the rest of his day, right? Instead of bothering himself to spread some bullshit around the corner here. It's just 24 hours. I'm waiting him tomorrow. He's gonna come back tomorrow with that. We're gonna wait him. John, come back tomorrow, buddy. Come back tomorrow, buddy. We're looking for your opinion tomorrow. Take a breath. And then let me know your thoughts. We're continuing, guys. Pretty aggressively, I would say. We don't have anything on 15 minute, but look at that. The pressure is there, guys. Look at that. Very interesting. What happened? Did we had Trump saying things again? Yeah. It's a total different thing. And every single person has a kind of specific custom risk management, depends on his style of trading. Risk management cannot be applied in a universal way to all the traders and shouldn't be done that, right? So the ones that are doing it like that, trying to do my risk management on their model of trading might not fit. If I try to do your risk management, it's not going to fit. I have to do whatever brings me profits. And I don't think there's something bad behind that, right? Let's go, guys. Come on. Thank you guys, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. We've got 24 minutes to when the market opens. We had a lovely day here, certainly. You know, we broke out the all-time high in the crypto space during the weekend. We went 125,000 for the BTC. Russell 2000s might break out. 2005-15. 515 right there on the Russells. That's what I'm looking forward to seeing. Yes. No, that's fine, basically. Good morning, welcome. How are you doing? We're happy actually to hear your perspective opinion. But definitely not 30 times. I'm waiting for the opening for the Quant Tower. Quant Tower is deserving to be traded at the opening, you know, guys. We got one more account there, but I'm going to load up today, so I'm going to get things ready for tomorrow's streaming. I'm going to load up some Quant Tower accounts from Savius. It's 55% off with my code. I care about bringing right now. My total focus is for the Ticktick trader, taking that one to live. That's my total focus, guys. And let me tell you something, guys. So the first money we make on live from the Ticktick trader, listen up, guys. Let me tell you something. I'm promising you right here. We're going to make it to live. It's pretty much clear, right? Because we have $8,000 there and we got to do 10,000 bucks. The first payout we're taking out from the live, and you know we can take whatever payout because we decide when to cash out. However, the first payout we take from the live, and I'm promising to trade the live account only on the live stream. Only on the stream, right? So I'm not going to trade the live account off stream. Just on the stream. The very first payout we're taking from the live account, from the Ticktick trader, is going to be distributed in cash format to our community. So that goes to you guys. The first payout goes to you. and I'm taking the rest of the payouts. How about that one? Or do you want vice versa? The first payout to me and the rest of the payouts to you guys. Let me know. Which one do you prefer? Let me know, guys. Let me know quickly. Right, so that goes back to you in cash. The first payout we take, no duck racing. $10 micros or 10 minis. Not 100. No. Right, so not to take out anything before 100 grand. We have a big win, guys. Not to take out anything before 100 grand. What if the firm disappears? What do I do then? Like having 100 grand sitting there, not taking it out. Makes sense, right? We're gonna do a nice game with that. So the first payout we're taking, you know, if I risk the entire account at the opening with FOMC, think about it. If we're waiting for the FOMC, which is in about how many days? Less than 30 days, right? Assuming we get to trade live, let me tell you something. Let's think about it, guys. Let's think about this formula. So FOMC starts in 23 days, in 4 hours. Good. 95% rate cut. Good. What if I do max contracts? Because we assume my live trading account is going to be set up by that time. I mean, we only need 4 more points and we're going to be moved to live because we're going to have enough money in the live threshold, right? So we only need 4 more points. We need 7. This is the second cycle. We don't need 10 points anymore. 4 more points could actually mean 6-7 days or whatever, right? Or even 4 days or 5 days or whatever. Now, that would mean basically by next week we have sufficient money. The other week, 1 more week to set up as a broker. And then we're getting ready. If I max long something, or max short, depends, right? Max contracts on the FOMC. It's a spot trading with inactivity of swing. So I'm not swinging on that bag at all. I have something else that I swing on. So I have a bag of Ethereum that I swing. I have a bag of Ethereum that I don't swing at all. I'm just buying and selling at the end. And that's it with that specific portion of the Ethereum. With the other portion, which is separated from what I just hold, is for swing trading dedication, right? And of course, I was pretty much expected to go for a breakout on that Ethereum situation. Like, we did have here times when, if we zoom in, like that triple top on Ethereum, because this is the weekly chart, that triple top here is pretty much ugly. You got Bitcoin going to all-time high for months, and then Ethereum got stuck here, right? Now, we broke out, we retested, and we're flying. This is what happened right here with the Ethereum. We're flying. We just retested and we're flying, and think we're going to break above that and run. But think about this one, guys. We were up 800, 900,000, and then we were down on this trade. Look at that. We were up here 3 times 880, even more than that. And then at the time markets came to this level, I'm not sure if you can see it, but you're supposed to be able to see this way. The time the markets came there, here, that was under my entry point, and we were down. Haven't sold anything. But this is something I've been doing since 2014. Beautiful. How long do they take to move you to live? The straight to funded plus is between 5 to 7 business days. Hello. I'm gonna trade responsible on the live accounts. Don't worry about these things, you know. It's not 2%, 800k. Definitely not. Definitely not. Let me share with you. Gold. 14 minutes to go. Are you guys expecting the markets to drop? I wouldn't disagree with you. Like the flat rejection we have at the 200s here is not a good sign. And the 15 minute looks ugly. The 15 minute looks ugly. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's bring up the numbers. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We have a lovely time out here on our Happy Monday moment. Let me open up Quantower again. Let me open up Quantower again. If you're exiting slightly above the 200s and you're moving your break even quickly, you're fine. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. This is what you gotta do today, and you are having a beautiful time. Yep. Lots of stop losses above 200 to be hit. Trading once again at the very limit. But thank you guys, by the way, for joining. Just have to wait a little bit. You guys are going long right there at the limit. At the supply of 200s. I'm not yet going long. I'm waiting. Watch me making a ton of money waiting. 10 minutes to go, guys. So the first payout we take from the live account, from the Ticktick trader, once we reach there, that first payout, whatever amount is going to be, 800, 500, 2,000, 3,000, whatever, is fully going to be shared back to our community. In cash, the entire amount. Yeah, Ethereum is going to the all-time high. And we're sleeping like a baby. Yeah. And I'm going to vote, guys. I'm going to let you vote at how much we should take out. I'll let you decide. Because it's not going to be my money. So I'll let you decide. I don't know how yet. Haven't decided how. I don't know. But what I know is the first payout from the live account on the Ticktick trader goes to you guys, and I let you decide how much. $100K, right? And how do you expect making that $100K? Might take me 2 years. If I do proper trading, might take me 2 years to get there. We're gonna have a pool. We're gonna have a few pools. Yeah, we Quanta hour could be just a single week, guys. Yeah. I would be able to take that after maybe 3-4 days. We're gonna do the giveaways. Continuously do our giveaways. Continuously do. And at some point I'm gonna introduce more accounts in the giveaways. We're reinvesting a lot. Less than 5 minutes to go, guys, and the market opens. Look at that. We didn't broke out right now. It's just crazy, right? Like, how many times did we retouch those levels? Let me share with you something, guys. So, the 15 minute is not looking too healthy here. The 15 minute is not looking good. Haven't tried them. Oh, we got some buying pressure. We got some buying pressure again. I think with this one, we're going to move a little bit to the upside, which is why I've longed. That was a nice 10 points movement. Come on. 10 minis. You know, I'm not requesting anything wild from this. Couple of points to the upside and that's it, right? 4 minutes to go. They might bring the markets up before the opening. Could be a decent theory. Putting the stop loss on break even. We're sitting in a comfortable position there. Come on. Nah. We got the break even. We made $85. Good morning, everyone. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Come on. Market opens in about 3 minutes. And finally, the 15-minute looks a little bit better. A little bit better, slightly better. Let's just wait for more data. Keep going. What if we get an all-time high during the opening back to 245 and then it drops a lot? Boom. Back to the daily opening. Yeah, that's a good idea. $2.16, less than 2 minutes to go, guys. Good job. I'm telling you, this move to the upside is pretty much dangerous right now before the opening. 1 minute to go. It is pretty dangerous. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. We got the giveaway starting soon. $50,000 we're going to share for the Ticktick Trader prop firm. Instant funding account. I'm smelling something dangerous here. Less than 30 seconds. Ten seconds to go. Let's just take this to Quant Tower. Let's bring it the opening bell, guys. Come on. Keep going. think this is going to drop. As I said before, I'm shorting this here. But you see, we're trading different. We're trading two minis. $180. Added one more contract to this. We're having three minis. I'm going to build up my short position, 4 contracts. Six contracts. We don't need more, guys. Let's just wait for the target to be touched. Stop loss and break even. Let's just wait for the targets to be touched. Look at that. The target is at $3,000. Come on, guys. Let's just wait for the target to be touched. There you go. $3,000 net profit. Daily net P&L. 3,056. Have a look into that. Gentlemen, we can also do it on Quantower the way we do it on Ticktick Trader or Tap 1 Futures. There you go. $3,000. Absolutely amazing. Come on. That's the way. Come on. If I would have something available, I would short it here as well. But because of the consistency, I cannot make more than this. But this is going lower. Let's go. Come on. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. Be subscribed. We're starting our giveaway soon. Thank you, buddy. Exactly, Jordy. There you go. Real deal without consistency is a big one. Once again, for those of you that would like to grab your accounts, here's the link for the Ticktick Trader. No consistency. Scramble coupon code maximum discount available. You can have up to 10 active accounts. We need 4 more points because you're second trading cycle here. And we're going to live. We are going to live. If you're not a bot, then it's fine. It means I have not addressed to you. So, join our Discord, guys. You gotta join our Discord. Let's just bring some volume to our Discord community. And let's bring in some wheels, guys. Let's bring in some wheels. So, how to participate? Time to enjoy our day, wrap things up, and have a great time. Of course, how to participate could be one of your questions. Let me just get out the Quant Tower, slowing down my whole thing. Like the video, come on. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, doing live trading, and it's the only way we trade. And of course, we're doing giveaways daily. Do not guess multiple times, do not guess from multiple accounts, do not utilize bots, or play the game, play the system in a vicious way. Respect our community, just like we are respecting you. And enjoy the account making money in the most legit way. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Appreciate your great words and lovely time. So, let's get started. Let me know your numbers. This is a $50,000 Ticktick trader. For those of you that are restricted, do not join. Ticktick trader have country restrictions just like any prop firm. If you're restricted, do not join. Pretty simple. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Let me know your numbers. Come on, 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. No more, that's it. No more. That's it, guys. No more guesses. We're gonna shuffle this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. $50,000 Ticktick trader account. Let's go, community. Come on. For those of you that guessed too late, you have an opportunity tomorrow. We're gonna have 2 giveaways tomorrow. Is that gonna be that yellow number 4? What do you guys think about that yellow number 4? How do you see it? Because I can smell that number 4 coming through. But also stopping there. Look at that. It's the number 4. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. We got you with the number 4, which is most of the time not preferred by people. Let's see. Is that reality coming through at this time? 18 winners. Wow. 18 winners. Look at that. That's a massive chance right there. More than 5%. You guys aren't going to beat for a minute. More than 5% chance. It's been a while since we had only 18 winners. Start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. $50,000. $50,000. A bunch of the people had number 5, number 1. Right? A bunch of people. If that would have been number 5, we would have had 45 players, probably. So it's very important for us to advance on our Ticktick trader journey. Very important. Advance on those straight to funded plus accounts that have no consistency. 10 seconds to go. We're gonna take it. Come on. I can see someone speeding up. Lambo roll. Lambo roll. Hey, congratulations, buddy. Lambo Raul. Hey, we got you right there with a $50,000. That was pretty close. Look at that, guys. There's a bunch of the ducks out there quickly running through. Congratulations, guys, once again. Wish you a lovely day, a lovely week ahead. Enjoy your time, of course. Careful with the risk management, trading, and numbers. And we got it going. I mean, we got it going on Ticktick Trader today. We got the 3rd point. If I get this one tomorrow on 4 points, and I'm going to have close to $7,000 drawdown with 4 points, 3 more will be needed and we're moved to live. It's just, at some point, just a question of time. Thank you once again for watching. All the links, coupon code, you know, you can have them on Discord, on my channel. Thank you guys once again. Have a lovely day. Looking forward to it tomorrow, 8 a.m. EST time. 2 giveaways are scheduled. And that's it. That's how we're taking it forward. Have a lovely day. We'll talk to you.